Construction of the new Integrated Terminal Building (NITB) at Imphal International Airport has reached approximately 50% physical progress despite repeated disruptions caused by bunds and economic blockades linked to the ongoing conflict situation in the state. Addressing the media, Director of Imphal International Airport, Chipemi Kaishing, said the existing terminal building was constructed over 25 years ago and currently occupies around 7,000 square meters. He noted that the growth in aircraft operations and passenger traffic over the years has created an urgent need to upgrade the airport's infrastructure on an area of approximately 22,000 square meters. The upcoming terminal is designed with modern infrastructure and cultural elements reflecting Manipur's heritage. It will include 4 aero bridges, separate domestic and international arrival and departure zones, Griha 5-star green building compliance and parking facilities for around 1,000 cars and 15 buses. He stressed that uninterrupted transportation of materials is essential to maintain construction progress amid the prevailing challenges. He highlighted the sharp rise in passenger traffic over the past decade, with daily operations increasing from about 8 flights in 2014 to over 32 scheduled movements today, along with more than 50 total aircraft movements, including non-scheduled services. Passenger handling has also grown significantly to around 6,000 passengers a day. The director informed that the airport is well connected to major Indian cities and regional destinations under the UDAN scheme, and the proposed renaming to Bir Tikendrajit International Airport remains pending final approval.